Hey guys, welcome. You're actually on camera right now. Do you guys know anything about Bitcoin?
I would love to know more about Bitcoin.
Yeah.
You only know altcoins, right?
Yeah, I know.
You have heard of altcoins?
Yeah. Big on
The
altcoins.
Cardano.
Oh, nice.
Cardano.
Yeah. These are just some random guys. We're over here in Hollywood.
I'm curious, like, what are you on? Like,
That would
are
be
you
interesting to know.
are you bullish?
Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest and greatest crypto community all over interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on the channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like the BitBoy MMCrypto Christmas special that we're having right now, we have dueling cheetah shirts on right now. Also, make sure to hit that like button. And Chris, can you give us a thumbnail face? There it is. There it is. Well, we're in LA tonight, one night only. BitBoy and MMCrypto hanging out together. We had a great time. Went out to eat. It was really fun. People are feeling festive because Bitcoin's climbing back up right now. On our Market Cipher indicator that we looked at, we got a large green dot. We got Bitcoin back over $50,000 as of the time that's recording. What do you kind of think is going on with Bitcoin right now?
Well, guess what? I'm bullish, right? As always. The lower we go, the more bullish I am. But obviously, it was not really it was unforeseeable that we are going to go that low. But whenever we go that low, the chance of at least a V-shaped recovery or maybe another test down, but a higher low is very high. We had the same or very similar situation at the Black Thursday crash in March 2020, where we also dumped because of the stock markets. Now it was very similar. We had the stock markets go down, pulling crypto with it. The same thing in March, but then what happens usually, just more money gets printed, markets go up again, Bitcoin goes back up again. So I think it's very, very possible that we hit the low already. My worst case scenario was, I didn't say that this is going to happen, but I said, well, my worst case scenario is 40 to 46,000. We went down to 42, 43. So from my side, we have a check mark behind that, and I'm looking for a green from now, like even for a green December.
A green December, I think that's key. A lot of people want to know, what our forecast is for the short term. I'm still really bullish for December. You're still really bullish for December. We're both cheetah-ish.
Yeah, but red. I need a green
killer
one.
shirt, man. This is a killer shirt. I like that. Please
I need
don't
a
wear the
green
red
one.
on the show again.
Yeah.
You can do me a favor. So let's talk about real quick about, how do you see the rest of this bull run playing out?
Well, I see Bitcoin bouncing back for December. I think we can hit a new all-time high, but as I said before, we have an 11 years resistance at $72,000. So it's gonna be a rough fight. But once we break it, that's for sure, it's gonna be crazy. I think once we break it, we are gonna see this $10,000 daily candle we saw recently, but in the other direction.
Now, I believe a lot of retail traders are going to come in, or retail investors are going to come in around 80,000. What do you think, like the average normal person sitting on the sideline, just the retail investor, what do you think they're thinking right now?
I mean, the retailers, they are scared, and that's funny, man. I mean, just look at the fear and greed index. We are at 50,000 US dollars, and people are fearful. Like the fear and greed index is at like 18. Everyone on Bitcoin.
Yeah,
it's crazy. So that's bullish for me.
Well, the thing about it is there's actually some regular guys that just walked into the room right here. Let's see what these are some retail traders here. Hey guys, welcome. You're actually on camera right now. What are your names?
Austin.
Aaron.
There's Austin and Aaron there. We're walking by here in the hotel. Do you guys know anything about Bitcoin?
Is this on TV?
Yeah, it's on Twitch.
Okay.
I've heard of that. I would love to know more about Bitcoin.
Yeah.
You only know altcoins, right?
Yeah, I know.
You have heard of altcoins?
Yeah. Big on
The
altcoins.
Cardano.
Oh, nice.
Cardano.
Yeah, that's really cool. So, do you think Bitcoin is going to go up? Yes or no?
Oh,
I'm hoping.
yeah.
So you guys own Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. These are just some random guys. We're over here in Hollywood.
I'm curious, like, what are you on? Like,
That would be interesting to know.
Are you bullish?
The phone?
Yeah.
Or
I think
TJ?
You, on the audience.
Oh, the audience. We all want to know, what are you bullish on? These two normal guys. Are you guys related?
Twins.
Oh,
they're
wow.
twins. These guys are twins. What are the chances you get twins here on the show? Well, thank you guys for joining us.
Yes.
We appreciate it. You guys walking by and just happen to be here.
Yeah.
What should I buy?
What should you buy?
Yeah, besides Bitcoin, what would be a good thing to buy?
Well, Ethereum right now is about to take off.
But besides Ethereum?
I would say XRP. It's going to $589.
Mr. Red?
Well, I would say Bitcoin, Ethereum. Then I would definitely take a look at the project I'm working on. And I don't know. Other than that, go for
And
the
that's
big guys.
V-Launch. I've heard of it.
Didn't want to shill it here, but yeah.
I'll do it for you.
Thank you. Yeah. Other than that, just look at the big guys, BNB. I think you like Cardano, right?
I do like Cardano.
I'm looking at Elrond also. I know it's
Boom.
a great team. They're like 8 times lower market cap than Solana. Interesting project for sure. Other than that, just stay with the big guys, I would say.
Yeah.
Ultra low cap, Mina protocol. You guys probably heard of ZK Snarks. I mean, I am an investor in it, but you know, if we're talking about the real low cap gems, I'm just gonna throw that out there.
What was the name?
Mina?
Mina.
Mina Protocol.
Yeah.
Yeah. MINA.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Yeah. Well, you can get it. You can get the expertise from this.
right?
MINA.
MINA.
I tend to give you guys advice on AltcoinDaily, so I don't know if you guys know that. I'm very shocked with these newer people to crypto.
Who
that
should
just
I
got
follow?
in.
Who should I follow?
Yeah, so
I want to follow you.
check
You do.
AltcoinDaily. AltcoinDaily is an awesome channel. They
Yeah.
talk about.
They don't show their faces a lot. so
No, but they are awesome. They are twins, by the way, as well. So really cool people.
Yeah.
AltcoinDaily, I think it's good. I
Yeah.
mean, crypto maybe. BitBoy crypto.
BitBoy Crypto,
Yeah.
and definitely not Coin Bureau. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. Thank you so much for Chris and Austin and Aaron for joining us. Been a great episode. Really cool to get together and talk about this stuff tonight. We've been having a great time, and guys, that's all I've got. Like this video. Be blessed. BitBoy out.